ready to ditch the basic brown and sport some seriously stylish armor. First, make sure you have leather armor. You can craft each piece using leather obtained from cows, horses, or llamas. You will need 7 pieces of leather for a helmet, leggings, and boots, and 8 for a chest plate. Next, collect your dyes. Minecraft offers a rainbow of options, from vibrant reds and blues to subtle grays and greens. Flowers are a common source, but you can also craft dyes from other materials, like bone meal for white or charcoal for black. Now for the fun part, place a piece of leather armor in the crafting table, then add the dye of your choice. The dyed armor will appear in the output slot. Simply move it to your inventory. Repeat the process for each piece of your armor set. Remember, you can mix and match dyes to create custom colors and patterns, offering endless possibilities for personalizing your look. And yes, you can even ready armor. Just place the already dyed armor back into the crafting table with a new dye to change its color. Again, this works on both Java and Bedrock editions. So get creative, experiment with different colors, and show off your unique style with custom dyed leather armor. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Minecraft tips and tricks. Happy crafting!